Oh, we reach. Look at the beautiful stadium. And the field look good.
If you are removed from the stadium, you will not receive a refund. There is no room.
But people, what are there? What are there?
In our team.
Cavalier FC and FC Cincinnati for tonight's CONCACAF Champions Cup game.
Come on, Cavalier! Yeah, good game so far. Cavalier hanging 0-0. First breaking play. And the fans them turn up late as usual Jamaica time. But Cavalier are trying slowly building to the game after some nervous middle part of the game. I'm slowly building the game after some nervous play at some point. But 0-0 so far. Yeah, second half, much better performance for Cavalier. Them have still a rush to play a little bit, but at least some fight are going. Them have a bit more confidence going forward. They still not get that final pass. But 1-0 remains so far in the second half, deep in the second half. Yeah, so by a decent fight from Cavalier, but we pick up a tool up at home. And a tough overturn is, but decent fight by the man them. Yeah, people. Yeah, so just reaching the car and still in a stadium parking lot and just done watch Cavalier take on FC Cincinnati. Good experience now. Sorry, more people never did it. That attendance was just 631, I think them say. But they need more people than that in their grandstand. But they see people that would do them on. Big up on themselves. See the Cavalier team got some good support. FC Cincinnati got some good fans there too. I was Powell family there and they make the most noise through the whole game. But in terms of the game itself, valiant effort by Cavalier is still valiant effort. So them on them, when a lot of people don't like speed tactics themselves, because you know, I'm not like them show a little too much respect, I guess, to the team. Them sit deep and from the start, like every minute they just sit deeper and deeper in them shell. Of course, it frustrated Cincinnati at one point, but after a while, Cincinnati realized it's probably nothing to worry about. I see the entire backline, the entire team of Cincinnati camping an hour and a half. But we'll try to repel them as long as we can. Which is was working up to the 45th minute, man. With 5 added minutes into the first half, and the man they managed to get one just before the half, and I think that kind of killed over a little bit. But what I like about the Cavalier team is the first part of the game, them count well, them attack well. And then in the second half, we played much better as well. And we feel said what really killed Cavalier in that game is nerves. It seemed like nerves reach mine, man, because them were rushing the plays when they finally get the ball. Them are rushing them plays through the lines. Them try woof it quick for try to get Calvin away. Russell in the first half had a tough match. I feel him have a tough game. Him get the one decent chance. And after a mistake by Mearsgard and get where, and we wish him could have finished off. But apart from that, he had a tough game. But no lack of effort from the man. The man them fight, the man them play hard as them could. He just sometime quality short because FC Cincinnati was tiring a lot, especially in the second half. Cavalier too, but Cincinnati definitely in the preseason them really tired towards the second half, even though they get the killer goal in the 80th minute midfield. Yeah, but good experience, people. Wish we could get more of this. Hopefully more players then reach a stage next season. Costa was a treat for watch. You see me, there was a baller for real, man. That number 10 for FC Cincinnati was a baller. For give kudos, the entire back line played well. King especially was one of the best players there in their back three. But my man I match for Cavalier, but now like I will give Thomas. Boy, what a man work hard today. Work and we start saying that chance saying get money, never get to pull the trigger, defender put all last minute save. But the man there do him thing. But again, valiant effort, we don't say we got to overturn this in a Cincinnati, but I forget them man and props. So, not to them do no shame to Jamaican football in a match. So, tired, maybe I can get edit and upload a video. But for the experience, people, the end time, going to more JAMPL matches, going to more traveling matches if you can. It's a fun time, trust me. And, we'll do it again next time, Cavalier. Try and make it to the stage again. Anyway, people, that's it. JAMPL, tired. We're going to roll out. We're going to put yourself, people.